If you want to start earning in Bitcoin, or if you want to increase your crypto portfolio, then this is the video you should be watching, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two platforms that can pay you in crypto for completing simple tasks. I have been using these platforms for quite some time now, and I have already cashed out from one of these platforms, which I'm later going to show you guys my payment proof. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho, and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please grab a seat as we dive right in. So before we get started, we need to know what is cryptocurrency. So in my understanding, cryptocurrency is digital money that does not require a bank or a financial institution to verify transactions. You need to do further research on the type of cryptocurrency that will be valuable in the long run. You can either take cryptocurrency as a short-term investment, or you can use it as a long-term investment. You need to look into the different crypto projects and choose the one that you think will be valuable in the long run. Now, without wasting any more time, let's look at the first platform and what it has in store for us. We're going to be looking at the different ways in which you can earn and also how you can get started. This is the website that we're going to be looking at in today's video, and it's called CoinPayU. This is how their homepage looks like. And here you're going to earn rewards by surfing the website, which is pay to click ads. You're also going to earn by taking surveys. Another way in which you can earn on this platform, it is by playing games. So those are the different ways you can earn rewards on this platform. So when we go down, you can see that they've got an advertising opportunity for you. So you can read more information right here. And then we're going to come down, and here is where you can see the different advertisers that they have. And when we come to the bottom, we can see the different rewards options that they have. As you can see, they've got Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, they've got Litecoin, they also have Visa and also Ethereum. You can also see what people are saying about this platform. So you're going to come here to the bottom to where it says reviews to see what people are saying about this platform. This is a worldwide platform. So from wherever you are in the world, you will be able to participate in offers and earn crypto tokens. So for you to join, you come to the top of the page to where it says join free. You do not pay anything to be part of this platform. There are no investment required. So you're going to click here and enter in your details. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account. After logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is the dashboard, and this is where you can see your main balance in points. You can also see your purchase balance and also the number of people you have referred. So for you to earn points, you come to the side to where it says view ads. This is where you can get paid to view ads. We're also going to click here to where it says offers so that we can see the different offers. As you can see, they've got games that you can use to earn points. They also have surveys that you can use or complete to earn points. They also have different offer walls that you can use to earn points. So for you to withdraw, we're going to come back to the dashboard, and then we're going to come here to where it says withdraw. So you can choose which withdrawal option you want to go with. You can either choose Amazon gift cards, or you can click on gift cards, or you can click on crypto. So I'm going to click on crypto, and then I'm going to be directed to a page like this one. So here there is a drop down, so you can choose different crypto tokens that you want to withdraw in, and then you're going to close, and then you're going to choose the network that you want to withdraw in. You need to also fill in your wallet address, and then you're going to come here and click on the number of points that you want to withdraw. So what they're going to do is that they're going to charge you for transaction fee in Bitcoin. So they're going to show you how many BTC they're going to charge you, and then how much you will get in Bitcoin. And then you're going to confirm right here. Now for the next platform, it is a platform that I've been using for quite some time now, and I have already cashed out from this platform because I was trying it out. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get started and some of the things that you can do on the platform in order for you to start earning coins. Another platform that we're going to be looking at is a platform called Quintiply. This is how their homepage looks like. So here it says start earning free crypto today. So for you to get started, you're going to create an account for absolutely free. And here it says sign up in the next 5 minutes to get 1000 free coins. So when you sign up, you're going to get 1000 free coins. So for you to sign up, you need to enter in your first name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, and then agree to their terms and condition and click on sign up. So we're going to go down, and as you can see, they've got an app that you can download into your Android device. You can get the app on your Google Play Store, right? So because I'm a member on this platform, I'm simply going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you inside. And once you have logged in, you will be directed to a page like this one. So when we come down, you can see the different ways in which you can earn coins or points on this platform. You can earn points by completing surveys. You can also earn points by installing games and apps. Another way in which you can earn coins is by watching videos, and also their daily free spin. They also have bonus quests. They also have an interest that you can earn once you've reached a certain amount of coins. I love the fact that you are also going to earn by referring people to the platform. So I'm going to come here to where it says withdraw on my profile. So this is where you can see that withdrawal option. You can withdraw using your Bitcoin wallet, your Doji wallet, your Dash wallet, or your Litecoin wallet. So as you can see, I've got a total balance of $16 and I've earned an interest of 4,568 coins. So for you to withdraw, you can withdraw with any crypto platform, right? But here they suggest that you withdraw with your Coinbase platform or your Coinbase crypto platform. All right. So the minimum withdrawal is 50,000 coins for Bitcoin, and also for other crypto tokens, it is 30,000 coins. So I just want to show you my withdrawal history right here. So as you can see, here is the withdrawal history from this platform, and I withdrew a total of 50,658 coins, and they also show you in Bitcoin, and this was a payment that was sent. So this is the amount that I received on my Coinbase account from Cointiply. So this is a platform that pays in Bitcoin, and I have received a payment from them right here. And yes, guys, these are the platforms that you can start using to earn in cryptocurrency. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a like, leave a comment down below if you've got any questions, or if you have any other platform that you have been using that helps you earn in crypto. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, see you in the next video.